6:02 is the time, and right now a controversial case out of Montgomery County is hours away from hitting the U.S. Supreme Court. Now, at the center of this is the right for kids to opt out of LGBTQ plus inclusive lessons. Now, the outcome could reshape what's taught in public schools across the country. Jess Arnold is live outside the Supreme Court this morning. And Jess, this case is personal for families on both sides of this issue.
That's right, Wisdom. For the families who started this fight, the stakes could not be higher here on First Street. In just a few hours, the 9 justices here at the Supreme Court will hear a case that started on the steps of the Montgomery County School Board and now could set a national precedent over what parents can choose for their kids. This morning, the debate over opting out is about to meet the Constitution.
Teach what you want to teach.
Increase in mental illness, increase in addiction, increase in suicide for kids.
But do not assume that everyone's boundaries are the same.
Those are the results of exclusion.
This story started in Montgomery County, and today it's in front of the U.S. Supreme Court.
We're not asking the court to take these books out of the school. We want to respect the rights of parents to have the instruction they want for their children, but we are asking that parents who have an objection, they're allowed to let their kids opt out.
Justices will decide whether that's a constitutional right as Montgomery County Public Schools defends its LGBTQ plus inclusive curriculum for elementary students. The case stems from a 2023 lawsuit by a small group of parents who say the district removed notice and opt-out options for books discussing gender identity, pride parades, and pronouns for kids as young as 3.
This is really an opportunity, if not a right, for our students in our public schools at the earliest ages to be exposed to the world.
Lower courts sided with the schools, but this morning, legal experts say a reversal could be coming.
The fact that the Supreme Court agreed to hear the case suggests already that they're inclined to disagree with the lower courts. This is a court that has been very sensitive to religious freedom claims.
Another concern in this case is, could this be applied to other lessons over other issues and identities, and how broad would this precedent be? Now, we're expecting competing rallies to begin here at the Supreme Court in just 2 hours around 8 a.m. this morning. We'll, of course, be here for that and have an update for you on that at 9 a.m. And then WUSA 9 will also have a crew inside of the court for those hearings, and we'll update you throughout the day. From the Supreme Court, Jess Arnold, WUSA 9.